Welcome back, everybody. It's KeToMi Poppy back for another episode of KeToMi Recipes. If this is your first time here at the channel, my name is KeToMi Poppy, and I simply make keto delicious, and I recreate the foods that you love the most. And today we are going to be making the best keto waffle recipe that you guys will never even know it's keto. You wouldn't even think about it being keto, and it tastes so delicious. This is going to be a very quick and easy recipe that you can make over and over again, and you guys will be able to enjoy breakfast without the guilt, keep those pounds low, and just have a much happier life. For today's ingredients, we're going to be having 2 eggs, baking powder, swerve granulated sugar, almond flour. You can use coconut flour as well if you like. Vanilla extract, some Kerrygold's grass-fed butter, but you can use any type of butter that you like. I am using some heavy cream today. I usually use buttermilk, but heavy cream can get the job done. I have a whisk and a measuring spoon here. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our eggs cracked into this bowl here. Watch out for any eggshells. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to melt you down a tablespoon of butter. I have some melted right here. Add that to your eggs. And we're also going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon, or I should say a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this a mix. Okay, so next what we're going to be doing is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the Swerve granulated sugar. This is a great sugar alternative. You can find this, I believe you can find this at your grocery stores now. It's really not hard to find these sweeteners nowadays. So you just get 1 of those in there. And we're also going to be, we have about a 1/2 cup of almond flour in here. So we're going to add a little bit at a time, and we're going to whisk. So let's just get a little bit in here. You want to go ahead and get about a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. So we got a 1/2 tablespoon there. And at this time, go ahead and preheat your waffle maker. I got one right here. Go ahead and get that preheated because that's going to be getting busy very soon here. And it looks like about a 1/2 cup. And it's looking like just the trick. So once this has reached the consistency that you like, you can go ahead and get ready for the waffle making process. So let's go ahead and get that station set up, and we will be right back. All right, so I have my waffle maker set to the most crispiest level here, and I'm gonna sprinkle my waffle maker with some olive oil just to get it a little bit on all sides here. Perfect. And I have a ladle. If you don't have a ladle, that's fine. You can just kind of like pour directly in there. But we're gonna go ahead and just get a nice pour of that waffle mix in there. All right, kind of don't want to overcrowd it. All right, and then you just close it. My waffle maker just closes and kind of turn it around, and you let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. It should be ready. And here we are with the finished product, guys. This is the best keto waffles recipe that you are going to see on this channel. I make this recipe all the time. I even have some keto maple syrup. That's from Birch Bender's keto maple syrup. There's plenty of them out there, so you can pick the one that best suits you. Guys, if you guys like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. I'm going to be uploading as much times as possible throughout the week, so I can give you guys all the secrets and well, not really secrets, but just the recipes that I love to make that has helped me lose 50 pounds plus and keep them off for a long time. I hope you guys love this recipe, and I hope you guys share it with someone that you love. Until next time, bye-bye.